Shall we do this? Hey guys, my name is Anu and you know me here as the Glam Frau. Today I'm going to be sharing my morning skincare routine. I've been using some new products that have been working wonders for my skin and I thought I'd share them with you. Some of these products I've received in PR, but I've been using these products for much longer than before I got on their PR. So this is going to be my honest review and inputs. So without further ado, let's get into this video, see how I do my morning skincare routine. If you're new, please don't forget to hit subscribe and join my little family. It'll mean so much to me. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being here, being a part of my journey, and I really appreciate each and every one of you. So without further ado, let's get into this video. I'm starting out with a cleanser. This is the Good Molecules Rose Water Cleansing Gel. I received this in PR and I'm really enjoying using this. The Rose Water Cleansing Gel leaves my skin very hydrated. It doesn't feel stretchy, but it does feel very clean. So I really like this gel for the mornings because I don't want to strip my skin of everything that I've kind of put the night before, because the nighttime skincare did do something and I don't want to strip that out. So I use this Good Molecules Rose Daily Cleansing Gel, which I really love. Next, I'm going in with the Glow Recipe Toner. I love this toner. The Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore Tightening Toner from Glow Recipe. This is a miracle in a bottle because I saw my pores literally minimize. I know that's not possible, but I think it just does some kind of an exfoliation and cleansing that it just makes my pores appear so small and so much smoother around my the problem area. So I really love this toner so much. This is amazing. Next, I'm going in with the COSRX Hyaluronic Acid and just using 2 drops of it for my entire face. The hyaluronic acid from COSRX is probably one of the best decisions I've ever made. This is a Korean brand, but this is the triple hyaluronic moisture ampule. It literally transforms my skin to feel very supple and very hydrated and keeps it hydrated for a good 8 to 10 hours. But it's important that you follow it up with a really good moisturizer. Next, we're going to use the Kiehl'S Super Multi-Corrective Cream. I received this in PR yesterday. I'm just so excited to use this. I have used a sample before and I really wanted to purchase it, but you know what? Kiehl'S, thank you so much. You surprised me with it, so I'm really happy that I received this in PR. The consistency of this cream is pretty thick, so I'm just taking a little bit and putting it all over my face. Oh, Kiehl's products always smell so good. It's unbelievable how they do it. They keep it natural and they still smell so good. Oh my god, this feels luxurious. That feels amazing on the skin. So what does it say? Upgrade your anti-aging routine with our improvements 7-in-1 super multi-corrective cream, our powerful super multi-corrective eye-opening serum, which is next, and our velvety ginger leaf and hibiscus firming overnight mask, which I will probably include in my evening routine. Our new #1 anti-aging moisturizer super multi-corrective cream is powered by all-star ingredients including chaga mushroom, phytomimetic vitamin A and hyaluronic acid, and that reduces wrinkles, even skin tone and smooth texture. This has got everything that I would die for, but the only downside is it does not have any SPF, so you will have to wear SPF over and above that. I don't know how you feel about layering your products. I like to have my SPF in my moisturizer, but sometimes it works better when you do a layer. But this cream has really ooh, can you see that? I'm glowing. This is the Super Multi Corrective Eye Opening Serum. Now, this is the first time I'm trying it, so let's see how I feel about it. I know that skincare takes a while to start, showing its effect. It's really gel-like, so I like that because I don't want it to be too oily. Oh, that's nice because it's cooling as well. If you have under eye area issues, then I think you should definitely invest in a good under eye cream. I'm finishing off this whole routine with some SPF from Kiehl's. So that was my morning skincare routine. I'm going to leave this on for an hour at least before I go in with makeup, because you need to let your skin absorb all the goodness from the skincare before you go in with makeup, and your makeup will apply so much better when the skin is prepped so well. So this was my morning skincare. I think I said that already. Please don't forget to hit subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one.